Hi, I'm Kiruthiga, architect and researcher, currently working as an assistant professor in the School of Planning, Architecture and Design Excellence at Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science from India. I'm interested in the emerging technologies that could help to provide solutions to climate change and its crisis. Slowing down climate change is an urgent matter. If we fail, our world will face a more extensive crisis than we experienced because of the global COVID pandemic. There was such a huge lack of engagement between the increasingly global youth climate movement and the youth tech space. To overcome this, students are always encouraged to participate in the tech competitions which they love to commit. Tech competitions like hackathons or short intense programming contests with ample room for friendly competition and learning new technical skills. There are time intensive innovation and educational environments, then community centric problem solving spaces, and a breeding ground for new ideas. When technology helps solve a problem solving can be done quicker, and the solution is often one that could have taken longer for humans to discover. Could a programming language power climate change strategy? Yes, absolutely yes, and it's already doing so. The threat of climate change is growing indeed, and the time is running out. Global greenhouse gas emissions currently total about 53 gigatons of carbon dioxide equivalent according to the Carbon Disclosure Projects. What can we do here with programming tools? The strength of programming tools lies in its ability to learn by experience, collecting massive amounts of data from its environment, initiating connections that humans fail to notice, and recommending appropriate actions on the basis of its conclusions. For instance, the companies looking to reduce their carbon footprint, what it can what it should do, done with monitoring emissions and predicting emissions, then reducing emissions. How the programming tools helps in monitoring emissions. The company use these programming tools to automatically track emissions throughout their carbon footprint. They can arrange to collect data from operations, from activities such as carbon travel and IT equipments, and from every part of the value chain including materials and component suppliers, transporters, and even downstream users of their products. Coming to the predicting emissions, we can use predicting programming tools which can forecast future emissions across a company's carbon footprint in relate to current reduction efforts, then new carbon reduction methodologies and future demand. As a result, they can set, adjust and achieve reduction targets more accurately. Then for the reducing emissions by providing detailed insights into the every aspects of the value chain, then we can prescriptive programming tools and optimizations can improve efficiency in production, transportation and elsewhere, thereby reducing carbon emissions and even cutting cost. So this is how the programming tools helps to reduce the carbon emissions which greatly impact to the climate changes. Okay, so the programming with youth minds advocates for a sustainable approach to climate change. Wish you all the best for your hackathon. Thank you.